Hey man, say man, it's your boy the 15 Ward Stunner, and we coming to you live from Houston, Wood, Texas. Happy Juneteenth, y'all. Um, yeah, this is a big day in Black history. Uh, it was the day that the black slaves in Texas was finally freed. Let my people go. But yeah, I hope y'all had a nice relaxed Juneteenth or whatever. Mine's was. Did a little bit of trading today, but I'm gonna be going over the extra trade that I took on Friday too. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this, oh my goodness, why do they? I hate when TradingView does this. Like, just stay exactly where I left you at. But what I was saying. So yeah, this first trade, I'm having a hard time trying to figure out why I got into it. But this is the best that I could come up with. So the whole morning we was breaking down to the downside. So I was like, yeah, our next draw on liquidity should have been. It should have been these lows down here at 353. I believe that's where I had it at. Yeah, I had my TP at 357, and I was like, I already in from where I was at, that was gonna basically be 50 points, and that's all I wanted. But that's not what ended up happening. Well, I mean, it did end up happening after he retraced one more time. I thought it was just about to go straight down because I was like, that really ain't that much further to go. Like 50 points, y'all could definitely do that. But so I shorted the bottom of the leg that was going down to do it. So I guess I was chasing, and but let me show y'all what I was looking at that made me want to take the trade. Yeah, man, these 1 minutes, man, it's never good to try to get in on the 1 minutes, or at least I haven't learned how to do it correctly yet. So for me, I just need to stay no lower than the 3 minute, cause yeah. Okay, so this is what I was looking at. I was like, okay, we've been breaking down all morning, and we fill these gaps up here. Yeah, that probably should have been my me. It probably should have been my sign that it was gonna go higher before dumping again. If it even did dump, because when you fill up these fair value gaps like this, I mean it wants to go higher, and we also filled this one all the way up too. But yeah, this fair value gap was the one that I based my trade off of. From here to here, we had got two rejections. And then we got the third one that dumped out. So I entered at the close of that candle, which is why I got in at 398. And I was targeting 357 because that's where the liquidity was at. Well, not 357. What was it? Yeah, what? Yeah, I guess I was targeting 357. Dang, so we almost got there. Went 365 and reversed. Why we did that again? Okay, yeah. I wanted 355, 357. Yeah, we went to 364. Yeah, so we was basically there, but went and did that. Yeah, when I chase, I definitely gonna have to start like taking or just stop chasing. Yeah, how about just stop chasing Tim? But yeah, once I seen this fair value get formed which I think it was on a 5 minute. Yeah, they had a fair value gap that got formed, and then we had closed above. We closed above the fair value gap that I originally took the trade on. So from that point on, the trade is invalid. So what I did was I waited on the pullback to the fair value gap. In here, I wanted to see if it was gonna actually respect it. It did, and I got out somewhere around here. But also once I seen that, I was like, oh shit, it's a 5 minute fair value gap, and I longed it, and I got 50 points on it. 404 to 454, got 50 points. I tried to leave a little runner to see where it went, but it came back down. I got stopped out, and then we finally went on that liquidity run that I planned on that first trade. I just didn't have a good entry, but man, that entry is actually still printing right now. 480 to 236 at .5 lot size. That's $1,000 trade. Nice. But yeah, so that was that. And so yeah, those were my first two trades from Friday. Came out a little bit on the positive side, made $25. Um Euro USD, I had lost this one in my sleep. But I mean, it makes sense looking back at it though. So this is what I had took this morning. That one did me nice. It didn't do me the nicest, but I took my profits because I seen that the stock market had closed today at 12 o'clock my time, which is 1 o'clock Eastern. It had closed. And I was like, what the fuck? So I just closed all my trades because I didn't want to risk getting gapped. Like I didn't even realize that was going on today. I should have knew that since it was a holiday though. Like they never really trade the whole day. What was I about to do? I'm looking for my first. I tried the long. I don't know why I tried the long that. I think it's because we was in a fair value gap at first. Yeah, we did into liquidity down there. Let me look at the 1 hour. And I believe it was this one. Yeah. We did into liquidity, so I thought it was gonna go up some more, at least get up into the 4 hour order block one more time or something like that. But I only planned on getting 100 points anyways. But didn't happen. I believe I did it like this, and we really didn't even break any market structure. Let me see what my entry was. My entry was 354. I bought at 354. Oh, yeah, maybe it was. Well, let me go to 1 o'clock. Well, like, okay, yeah. So this is what I was looking at. Yeah, so I think this is what I did. I did that to that. Yep, that's what I did. Got in at 354. Almost immediately got stopped out. Yeah, I don't know why I did that because that trade wasn't even worth it. The ones that don't have 100 points like within the framework or whatever, come on, man. Like, because I always aim for at least 100 points. And if you look at this from here, 100 points, like that's way up here. I mean, it could work like that, but it don't. Yeah, I got stopped out. Yep. But yeah, that's why I only did one lot, because these days I be doing 2.5. But I really wasn't all that confident in it. I just put a one up there just to see what would happen, and whether I win or lose, it'll just for the most part be a learning lesson. So yeah, that leg was way too small for me to be drawing off of that one. I don't know why I did that. Like, yeah, I really should have just waited. Should just waited. Drew from this one to this one. Look at that. Beautiful. Show that 362. And I probably would have took profit on one of the higher time frames. Yep. Took profit at that FVG. Yes, sir. But you know what though? This one was still active. That's probably why I longed. Yep. And then we had popped out of it too. Like we dipped into it, we popped out, we dipped back into it. So that's really why I longed. But yep, it makes sense, man. Like everything makes sense now. Like I'm rarely if ever confused on why shit didn't go my way. Like it makes sense. But yeah, yeah. But I was just tired, man. Like I ain't put that trade in. I fell asleep. I wasn't even about staying up, trying to trade that. Cause that's all I be doing. I just be looking at the chart. Whatever looks the best, that's what I'm gonna take in that moment. But the charts had developed some more, cause it really wasn't a clear trade at that point. Like we needed some type of real market structure break. Cause I don't like, yeah, that original one, it didn't even close below. This one closed below all of that. So that was the real market structure break. Yep. All right. Uh, so that was that trade that I got wrong, and I caught two W's this morning with Euro USD and US 30. So US 30 was pretty simple, man. We dumped this morning. I was just waiting on the pullback, and it was some bullshit because like it's always the trades. Like I don't know. Anyways, I showed it at 230. Didn't realize. Well, I showed it at 34 230. My target was 50 points. I was trying to get 182, so down there, but didn't realize that it closed. It might gap down and open down there below or something. But I didn't want to take the risk, so I just took my money, bro. I was like, yeah, give me my $32, cause y'all not about to take $250 from me again. And then Euro USD, I had took a short on the retrace. So I believe I did this and I did that. Yeah, that's what I did. I did the whole leg. I shorted at the midpoint 234. I took profit at like 170 when the stock market had closed. Cause I was like, okay, this isn't good, so I'm gonna just close all my trades. So yeah, what I got? Yeah, I sold at 170. Sold at 244. I wanted to add some more at this point because I had seen this rejection right here, and that's when I got into the trade. And I saw it going against me, and I was like, let me see what happened at this 70 low. Well, in the OTE range. But yeah, could have caught 100 if I would have just entered at those ranges or whatever. 4 o'clock dimp. But yeah, those were the two trades for me. Yep. All right. Yeah, man. If you enjoyed the video, me rambling about these trades, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions you need me to explain anything more in depth, just hit your boy up in the comment section below. But yeah, man, I actually enjoyed doing this stuff. Especially now that I know why shit moves the way that it moves. Like it makes so much sense now. But But yeah, like I get up early every morning. Like I don't have no morning job or anything like that. Like I don't have any obligations in the morning. Like I do this shit of my own free will. Like this shit pushes me to get up in the morning to try to get some opportunities. But yeah, man, I really enjoy making these videos. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I haven't been this consistent with something in a minute. Like literally Monday through Friday, every single day I'm here. I'm trading and I'm sharing my results with y'all. And hey, last Friday we had passed that phase 1, man. That was nice. Phase 2 coming soon. I really should be able to pass phase 2 by this week and get started on that real account. Yeah, yeah, baby. But yeah, probably hit. Yeah. Anyways, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all Juneteenth, and I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. All right, peace.